Hello everyone, this is Belinder and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making onion and ginger hair oil. You're going to either grate your onion and ginger or you just blend it without adding water. So when you blend it without water, it's going to look like this. Then you transfer it into a clean bowl and then add some vegetable oil to it. So after pouring your vegetable oil, you're going to stir it with your spoon and then we're going to cook it under low heat using the double cooking method. This way is going to help extract the nutrients from the ginger and the onion into the vegetable oil without damaging the nutrients. And I'm going to explain what I mean by double cooking method in a bit. So now, let's say this is a pot with water in it, and then the smaller sieve is a bowl with our 3 ingredients in it. You're just going to dip it this way into the water and let it sit there for about 20 to 30 minutes boiling under low heat, and then you're going to take it out. You're still going to have your water in your bowl and then our ingredients in the smaller bowl. After 20 minutes, it should be looking like this. You can see it's not burnt, all the nutrients is still very much intact, and then you're going to let it cool a bit and then you sieve it. Please be careful when applying this oil on your hair. Don't let it get in your eyes because it can irritate the eyes. Now you can go on and apply your hair oil to your hair. Please give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Consider subscribing and sharing this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm still Belinder and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.